If you're looking into the brand new Not Legal Advice AI, you've come to the right place. This software promises to provide solutions in a space that's getting increasingly crowded. But how does it stack up? Let's dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about this tool before you make any decisions. First off, it's important to clarify what this AI is designed to do. It's not about offering legal advice, but rather providing information, guidance, and support related to legal processes. The name itself says it all. It's meant to be a tool for learning and understanding, not for replacing a professional. And don't worry, this isn't a substitute for legal counsel, just a way to give you insights. The biggest draw of this software is its simplicity. Even if you're not tech savvy, the user interface is extremely intuitive. From the moment you sign up, you're greeted with an easy-to-navigate dashboard where you can quickly access all the features. This is a key point for anyone just getting started with AI tools. Now, let's talk about how it works. Not legal advice. AI uses a blend of natural language processing and machine learning to analyze your questions and provide tailored responses. This means that the more specific you get with your queries, the more relevant the answers become. You'll be getting responses that are personalized to your situation. No generic, one-size-fits-all answers here. But one of the most important things you need to know is its ability to break down complex legal jargon. For someone unfamiliar with legal terms, this software can be a game changer. It translates complicated legal language into plain English, so you can understand the legal concepts behind the terms. Another feature worth mentioning is the customization. Not legal advice. AI isn't just a cookie-cutter product. You can adjust how the AI responds based on your preferences. Whether you want more detailed explanations or quick summaries, it adapts to your needs. This personalization is what makes it stand out from many other AI tools out there. Now, if you're thinking this is just a one-and-done tool, think again. One of the most powerful aspects of Not Legal Advice AI is its continuous learning. The more you interact with it, the more it improves its accuracy. It doesn't just give you a one-time answer and leave you hanging. It learns from your input to provide even better responses in the future. A major concern with any AI is how reliable it is. When it comes to legal information, you want to make sure you're getting trustworthy data, not legal advice. AI pulls from a wide range of reputable sources to ensure that the information it provides is as accurate as possible. However, always remember, it's a tool meant to assist, not replace a lawyer. Lastly, you're probably wondering about the cost. Here's the great news. You can try Not Legal Advice AI completely free. No strings attached. You'll have access to most of the core features during your trial period, so you can get a feel for the software before deciding whether it's right for you. It's an easy decision to test it out for yourself, and you can find the link in the description below. So, to sum it up, if you're looking for a reliable AI tool to help you navigate legal information and make better decisions, Not Legal Advice AI is worth checking out. With its user-friendly interface, powerful natural language processing, and customizable features, it offers something unique in the growing AI landscape. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've put together a list of the best ones for you in the description below. Go ahead, try them for free and see how they can work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.